Today, we'll be showing you how to replace your tub gasket on this Frigidaire dishwasher. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. The main reason why you'd be replacing your tub gasket is if it is molded or if it is leaking. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. There are no tools needed to complete this repair. Let's go ahead and open the door here. Your tub gasket goes all the way around. Now, prior to replacing it, make sure it's not just mangled up. Sometimes maybe something got stuck or it pulled on the actual door here and ended up pulling it out and it's causing your dishwasher to leak. Make sure that everything is in there tight. If it looks corroded or it's damaged, obviously it's going to have to be replaced. Now to start, you're going to have to start in one spot and start to peel it up. I'm just going to pick on one of the corners, but make sure you look and see how much slack is on the bottom. They only leave maybe about a ½ inch worth of slack on each side, so you'll have to remember that when we are reinstalling a new one. Just slide the tub gasket out and set it to the side. When replacing your seal, make sure you start by folding it in half. Find out where your center point is. Mine is right here. I'm going to install that directly underneath this spot because I know if this is the center of my door. Next, go around and start to push in. You do not need a whole lot of pressure. If for some reason you get to the bottom, like I did here, and there's just a little too much slack, obviously we're going to have to pick it up a little bit. So pick it up maybe about an inch, start to drag it around. Let's see how the other one's going to fit now. And we're going to have the same problem. Let's do it one more time. Slide it over just a little bit more. Remember, it needs to have just a little bit of a flare on the bottom. And you can start on the bottom if you want. I recommend starting kind of in the middle. This way I'm just kind of feeding it around until I get right at the perfect spot where I don't think it's going to leak. Almost there. I'm going to pull a little bit more down on this side. There we go. We're all slid in. We have a bend on the bottom on this corner, a bend on the bottom on this corner, and this is for the corner pieces to strike in so it gives it a seal on each corner and you can't have a splash. Go ahead and close the door, test it out, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.